Hello everyone! I'm hoping that you are still alive and kicking at this time. I'm your Math 9 teacher, Ma'am Jo. In this video lesson, you will learn the 6th trigonometric ratio. Well, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measure of the sides and angles of a triangle. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trigon, means triangle, and metron means measure. There are two approaches dealing with the trigonometry, the right triangle approach and the unit circle approach. So this lesson will discuss the right triangle approach. A right triangle is defined as a triangle with exactly one interior angle equal to 90 degrees. Angles of the triangle will be named by its vertex as angle A, angle B, and angle C. In naming an angle, always use the capital letter. Then the side of the right triangle ABC will be denoted by the lowercase letter a, b, and c. So let us use the symbol theta to represent the given angle or the reference angle, while the opposite of the right angle is called hypotenuse. And then the opposite of the theta is called opposite side. And then the side which is next to the theta or the angle is called adjacent side. Then if the given triangle or the given angle or theta change each position, then the adjacent side of the triangle will also change. So from the illustration, the longest side is the hypotenuse, and then this will be the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. So there are 6 trigonometric ratio, namely sine, which is the ratio between the opposite side of the given angle and the hypotenuse. In formula, that is sine theta is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse. Cosine, the ratio between the adjacent side of the given angle and the hypotenuse. So in formula or in symbol, that is cosine theta is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. Tangent theta, the ratio between the opposite and adjacent side of the given angle, or in symbol, tangent theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent. Cosecant, ratio between the hypotenuse and the opposite side of the given angle, or in symbol, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over the opposite side. And then we have the secant theta, which is the ratio between the hypotenuse and the adjacent side of the given angle. So in symbol, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse over opposite side. Cotangent, ratio between the hypotenuse and the adjacent side of the given angle. In symbol, cotangent theta is equal to adjacent side over the opposite side. So we have 3 basic trigonometric ratio: sine, cosine, tangent. And then we have reciprocal ratio. Reciprocal ratio, this is the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tangent. Cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine theta. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. And cotangent, reciprocal of tangent. So in order to remember the formula, in finding the basic trigonometric ratio, let us use the mnemonic SO, CAT, TOA. So represent for sine theta is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse. And Ka represent for cosine theta is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. And TOA represent for tangent theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. Those are the 6 trigonometric ratio. I hope you learn the 6 trigonometric ratio. You will need them in the next activity. So thank you for watching and listening.